Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make milk powder gulab jamun. So let's get started. For my sugar syrup, I've got here 2 cups of water, 2 cups of raw sugar or you can use white sugar, 1 teaspoon of rose extract or you can use rose water, 1 tablespoon of milk to remove any impurities from the sugar, 3 cardamom pods which I have roughly crushed and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to stop any crystals from forming in the syrup. You will also need some oil for frying. For making the dough, I've got here 75 ml of milk at room temperature, 4 1/4 teaspoons of ghee, half cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, half cup of full cream milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. To make the sugar syrup, take a fry pan or a pot, add sugar and water, put it on medium heat and heat it until the sugar has dissolved and the syrup has started to boil, stirring it frequently. Add milk, give it a mix and wait until the impurities start to float on the top and remove it using a skimmer. Add crushed cardamom and 1 teaspoon of rose extract. Give it a mix and let it boil for 3 minutes or until the syrup is sticky. Add lemon juice and give it a mix. Turn the heat off. Cover it and put it aside. To make the dough, take a big dish, use a strainer to sift in your flour, milk powder and baking soda. Add cardamom powder and mix it using a spoon. Add 3 teaspoons of ghee and give it a mix. Add milk little by little and mix it with a spoon until it starts to come together. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and use your hand and knead it until the dough is no longer sticky. Take 1/4 teaspoon of ghee in your palm, rub both palms together and roll the dough into a log. Break a small piece of dough, place it on your bench top, roll it into a ball and then roll it into a cylinder until smooth and without any cracks. Use a teaspoon as a guide to make small gulab jamuns as it will double in size after soaking in the syrup. Depending on the size, you can make 25 to 30 gulab jamuns with this recipe. To fry the gulab jamuns, place a wok or fry pan on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. To see if the oil is ready, take a small piece of dough and drop it into the oil. It should sit in the bottom and small bubbles should form around it. Add 1/3 of the gulab jamuns and wait until it comes to the top and let it cook until it starts to change color. Turn them over and continue cooking until you get a golden brown color. Take them out, drain the excess oil off, add it to the warm syrup, cover it and let it soak while you fry the remaining gulab jamuns. Once all the gulab jamuns are fried, soak it in the syrup for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the gulab jamuns have doubled in size. Take it out of the syrup and it is ready to serve. My milk powder gulab jamuns are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Leftover gulab jamuns can be kept in the syrup in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.